Hi guys, in front of me is iPad Pro and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, enter the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now click on add new wallpaper. So here you can select from those albums. You can choose one from featured wallpapers, one from your own photos. You can create photo shuffle, pick one from live wallpapers. You can also set emoji, weather, astronomy or color wallpaper, whatever you prefer. And let me choose, for example, this astronomy. Let me just allow services to activate the weather wallpaper. And if you like it this way, all you have to do is to mark add. And now you can decide if it's a wallpaper pair or you can customize your home screen separately. Let me set it. And as you can see from now on, it is applied on both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.